Wow! The drink does not come out of the bottle. How does that happen?
Do you know why the drink does not pour out of the bottle? This phenomenon is related to gas pressure. Let us learn about it in this section. We have learnt that particles are in constant, random motion. When we pump a gas into a balloon, the particles in the gas constantly hit the wall of the balloon. The particles in the gas hitting the wall gives rise to gas pressure. To measure gas pressure, we can use a Bourdon gauge, or a pressure gauge. We can also use a pressure sensor connected to a data logger. The unit of gas pressure is Pascal or kilopascal. Will gas pressure change with the temperature of the gas? Let us carry out the following experiment to find the answer.
In this experiment, you will investigate the relationship between gas pressure and the temperature of the gas. Insert a rubber bung with a delivery tube to a round bottom flask. Connect the delivery tube to a Bourdon gauge with rubber tubing. Put the round bottom flask into a beaker of water. Set up the apparatus as shown. Put on your safety goggles. Heat the water in the beaker gently with a Bunsen flame. Note that the temperature of the air in the round bottom flask is the same as the water temperature. Record the temperature and gas pressure at intervals of 5 degrees Celsius. Continue the process until 6 readings are taken. What is the relationship between the temperature of the air in the flask and the gas pressure? The higher the temperature of the air in the flask, the higher the gas pressure.
In the experiment, when we heat up the air in the round bottom flask, the air particles in it move faster as they gain energy. Therefore, the particles hit the inside wall of the flask more frequently and more violently. As a result, the gas pressure inside the flask increases. On the other hand, if we cool down the air in the flask, the air particles in it will move slower as they lose energy. Therefore, the particles will hit the inside wall of the flask less frequently and less violently. As a result, the gas pressure inside the flask will decrease.